So na-approved ka na for your Spain Digital Nomad Visa in 2026. But what's next for you? What happens after nandito ka na sa Spain? A lot of people sobrang focus sa approval itself that they forget about what comes after. The reality is, medyo overwhelming talaga, especially your first 30 days after approval. Because these are some of the most important steps to make sure you're properly set up as a resident, especially if citizenship in 2 years is part of your long-term goal. So here's a simplified version of what needs to happen next. First, secure your long-term accommodation and get your rental contract. You'll need this for almost all the next steps. Second, register at your local town hall. This is called empadronamiento. This serves as proof of address and is super important. Third, start your TIA process. This is your Tarjeta de Identidad de Extranjero or your physical residency card. Usually, this means getting your appointment, paying the tasa, completing your fingerprint appointment, and waiting for your card release. Depending on the city, appointments can be difficult to get. So, wag nyo na tong i-delay. Fourth, now that you have your approval, your address, and you've started your TIA process, you can begin opening your bank account. This varies depending on the bank and location. Usually, bigger cities are a bit more lenient. Minsan kahit approval pa lang meron ka, you can already open a non-resident bank account. But in smaller cities or more rural areas, mas strict sila. And sometimes, they may only allow a non-resident account first. Fifth, make sure you register as autonomo and start your social security contributions. This is very important because this affects taxes, healthcare, and your legal obligations as a resident. After that, once you have healthcare access to your social security, you can go to your nearest Centro de Salud and get your health card para officially ma-access mo na yung healthcare system here in Spain. And this is exactly why the first 30 days matter so much. It's better if guided ka or at least plan ahead if you're doing everything DIY. So if gusto mong malaman more about this process, you can definitely give me a follow. And thank you so much for watching. Ciao!